Let's take a moment to talk about one of the most important parts of the selling experience, your buyers. Understanding your buyer reviews isn't just about stars and comments. It's about learning, improving, and building long-term trust. In the next few slides, we'll walk through how reviews are collected, how they impact your shop, and most importantly, how you can use them to grow your business and connect more meaningfully with your audience. Like most platforms, buyers are able to leave reviews. Most reviews are fair and build buyer trust, and they are a great opportunity to highlight the experiences buyers have with you on Palmstreet. Buyers can only leave reviews after they receive products from Palmstreet sellers. It's important to respond to each review to thank them and to either acknowledge praise about their experience and feedback for improvement. Always remain professional and handle any issues that might come up to best of your ability. Keep in mind, if you happen to get a negative review, your business is not defined by that. That's why we let sellers respond to reviews, to give context and to also show things being handled professionally. If you receive a negative review, it's important you know how to handle it. Start by assessing whether the complaint is valid. If it is, own the mistake, apologize, and offer a refund or replacement if needed. This can go a long way for the buyer and other people who see and read through your reviews. If the review seems unreasonable, stay calm. Do your best to stay calm and respond respectfully. For detailed or sensitive issues, always take the conversation private. Use Palmstreet messages or share a contact email. Public replies should be brief, professional, and never include private order details. Here is an example of a buyer that was not pleased with an item that they received from Palmstreet seller. This is how a Palmstreet seller replied. "Thank you so much for your honest feedback. I'm really sorry to hear the item didn't arrive in time for your gift. I totally get how frustrating that must have been. That definitely wasn't the experience I wanted you to have. I always aim to get orders out as quickly as possible, but it sounds like this one didn't meet expectations. And for that, I sincerely apologize. If there's anything I can do to make it right, whether it's a partial refund or discount, let me know, please." So based on what we know here, we know that they responded with understanding. They stayed calm, and they protected privacy. All of these were excellent things. Now, lastly, we're going to talk about how to report and appeal reviews. If you believe a review crosses the line, you can report that, and if it violates our community guidelines. Some valid reasons for appeal are reviews that are tied to unrelated purchases, hate speech or discrimination, obscene, harassing, or threatening contact, or even fake or spam reviews. Keep in mind, reviews that are older than 30 days are rarely removed. To appeal, contact Palmstreet support through the app, include the buyer's username, the order, or tracking number, and explain why the review should be taken down. Note, reporting does not always guarantee your removal. If you're looking for more information on Palmstreet's support for buyers' reviews, you can scan the community guidelines code right here or the community review blog. Thank you.